welcome to Purpose Fest 2025.
I'm really glad you want to visit Carlo's website. He built it when he was just a teenager.
You can hear someone explaining his story.
Blessed Carlo, of course, is the first millennial saint, so it seemed like a perfect time to launch a virtual reality experience, to really give young people at Purpose an opportunity to explore their faith, to come to know Blessed Carlo more.
So ladies, what do you know about Carlo Acutis?
I don't know much. Nothing much, only that he was quite young.
It's a new frontier for us in many ways in trying to spread the gospel through the available means of technology that are available to all of us. So it's been a really satisfying project to see that take off and for young people to understand Blessed Carlo's life in a different way.
I learnt about the Eucharistic devotion he had. I just learnt about how he was able to incorporate all of that into his daily life, like with the soccer. That was really nice.
I know about Carlos, and I thought that would be great to have that experience. If that's going to attract them and help them to come to love God, that's for me that's the most important thing. Yeah, Carlos surely can do that.
Whether it's St. Paul who communicated the gospel in new ways to the Greeks, or whether it's us in our own time using technology to share that gospel with contemporary audiences, I think Christians are always called to explore what is available to share the gospel with joy.